In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn $100 per day with the Hostinger affiliate program. We're going to take a look at how you can get your affiliate links, the different ways to promote it, and how much money you can make. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can make $100 per day with the Hostinger affiliate program. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, don't forget, guys, if you want to be a part of the $500 giveaway that expires December 24th of 2022, make sure you are commenting on this YouTube video, other YouTube videos that you come across, as well as my various social media platforms. Here is a video that talks about it more in depth. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's talk about the Hostinger affiliate program. Let's first talk about what Hostinger is. Hostinger is a web hosting platform that people that need a website may use as an option in order to host their website. So I'm going to get real technical with you real quick. So in order to have a website online, it has to be hosted somewhere. And Hostinger is a place that allows you to put that website there. It's like Bluehost, it's like GoDaddy, it's like some of those other places like that, but Hostinger is one opportunity. So now that we have a brief overview of what Hostinger is, let's go ahead and take a look at about how much money you can make. Now, according to the website, I'm at hostinger.com/affiliates. If we scroll down here, they actually will pay you at least 60% commission. So anytime someone buys one of their packages, they'll pay you at least 60%. Let's take a look and see how much the packages are so we can get an idea of about how much money you can make. So if we look at this, they have a $1.99 Black Friday sale. So what we would do is we would need to take $1.99, multiply that by 12, and then figure out our 60% from there. But you can see here, these are the starter standard packages. So this could be a really good opportunity to make money. They're fairly priced, and it can be a good alternative to people that are looking to go elsewhere. So that is the basic high-level view of what Hostinger is and how it can help people. Let's take a look at the affiliate program and how you can get your affiliate links. Now, for some reason, Hostinger's affiliate links are a little bit confusing and it's a little bit difficult to get to, but I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So once you log into Hostinger's back office, as you can see here, you will click on all offers just like this. And then you'll get to this page. Now, don't click on preview landing page because it'll just take you to that page that I just showed you. It'll take you to this page up here. What you want to do instead is you actually want to copy this. Now, it's not linked, hyperlinked, so you can't really tell it until you hover over it. Once you hover over that, that's where you get your affiliate link. You can copy your tracking link. If you want, you can add other things to it. As you can see there, lots of options to get your affiliate link. So once you have that affiliate link, you can go start promoting it. Now, this is the important part. You want to promote your affiliate link strategically. You don't just want to throw it all over the internet and hope for the best. You want to be strategic. And here are some ways that you can promote your affiliate program. So what we're going to do, first thing we can do is jump over to YouTube and we can teach people how to start a blog, because one of the things that most people need when they start a blog is they need web hosting. So if we go over to like how to start a _ blog like this, you can see that people are asking about how to start different types of blogs. For example, let me give you a really good example. We'll go to a YouTube channel called Web Hosting Rewind. Now, you don't just have to do, this is just one of the easy ways. I would say this is a low-hanging fruit, okay? So if we look at this YouTube channel, Web Hosting Rewind, they only have 1,000 subscribers. That's important, 1,300 to be exact. But if we look at this, you can see they are getting consistent views. Now, you may say, hey, look, he's only getting 50, 60 views per video, but these are highly targeted views with people that have problems. And what you can do is you can simply create content showing them step by step how to start a blog, how to start a music blog and make money. 3,000 views from a year ago. One of the things that they need to start a music blog is a website. And then that's when you can put your affiliate link in the description. So grab your affiliate link from Hostinger, put it in the description, and then you can make money. So this is just one way. Another great way is to type in, if we do Hostinger review. And what you're going to do is you're going to provide a complete review of the product. So you're going to talk about speed tests, how it compares maybe to other web hosting platforms, what it's good for, what it isn't good for, so where it struggles. Maybe it struggles with lots of traffic. You want to make sure that you are mentioning that. Now look at this, 11,000 subscribers, 35,000 views. So a great view to subscriber ratio. But look at this one down here. Only 1,000 subscribers, 11,000 views. 33 subscribers, 305 views, talking about Hostinger review. So you don't have to be this large mega channel in order to make money with this. You just have to know how to create highly targeted content. Another thing that we're going to do is we're going to do Hostinger versus like this, and then you can create content against all of these other competitors. Talk about the strengths and weaknesses. Now, pro tip, what I would do is I'd actually become an affiliate for all of these web hosting platforms and then put my affiliate links in the description to both. But if we look at this, Hostinger versus GoDaddy, only 565 subscribers, 1,000 views. So most people say to me, I don't know how to get traffic. This is how you get traffic. You create highly targeted content to get in front of people that are interested in buying. Excuse me. But you can see here, Hostinger versus GoDaddy. And what you can do is simply just do every one of these and you can make money. So we've got Hostinger review. We've got Hostinger versus. So comparison, we could say best web hosting for. And if we look at this, people are looking up best web hosting for bloggers, online store, WooCommerce, for photographers. Once again, people are asking about their individual needs and you can create content there. If we look at this, 510 views, 18,000 views, 1,000 views, 92,000 views, simply creating content to help solve a problem. And then you can put your affiliate link in the description. Another way to go at this is people that want to start an online business. So people could say like how to start an, let's say, e-commerce business. Now this is going to be a little bit competitive, but again, one of the things that you're going to need when you start an online business is you're going to need a website. And so what you can do is you could create content here and say one of the most important things that you need for your online business is a website, and go here for my #1 recommended website for beginners. You put your affiliate link to Hostinger in the description of your content and you can make money. Another thing that we could do is we could start a blog. Now, starting a blog is going to be really competitive. I want to give you a heads up there. It's going to be competitive, but you could do it. For example, if we say something like how to start a blog like this, you're going to see people are writing entire books on how to start a blog. If we look at this, Wix's a top 20 or top 50 domain, they're writing full dissertations about how to start a blog. Going the blogging route is going to be really competitive, but it's possible. And again, you can apply the same principles. We can do review, unboxing, comparisons, best web hosting for. But if we look at this, you can see this is a crazy long blog post, and they've even embedded a YouTube video to help them rank. So it's going to be a challenge. But what you could do, let's go back over to Ahrefs. We could do something like how to start a blog. How to start a website. All right. And I'm going to come up with I'm going to reveal something really special for you in just a moment that's going to help you get in front of highly targeted audience in just a moment. But if we look at the matching terms here, you're going to see there is a lot of competition for starting a website or starting a blog. What you could do is you could change the keyword difficulty and try and increase your chances. How to start a sports blog, only 12 competition, 200 searches per month. One thing that you can do is something called the glossary method. Now, this isn't my idea. I actually stole this from the affiliate marketing dude. His name is Marcus Campbell. He has a great YouTube channel. Definitely check it out. What he does is he types in something like glossary, web hosting glossary. And what you can do from here is you can take a look at web hosting terms. Now, the reason why you're going to look at these different terms is they're going to be less competitive than just how to start a blog or how to start a website. For example, people that are looking up VPS might be interested in getting a VPS, upgrading to a VPS, or switching their current VPS. SSL, these are all going to be more targeted searches than just how to start a blog, how to start a website. What you can then do, let's get out of here. And if you look at this, that's actually HostGator, which is a different web hosting platform. What we could do is we could type in something like, we could come here and type in SSL, hit enter, and then we can take a look at the low competition keywords that pop up here and see if we can create content to get in front of people that are going to be interested in web hosting. For example, and again, we're going to get technical. We might look up something like free SSL generator, or how much does an SSL cost? If we look at this, we could say something like how much does SSL cost? So if we look at this, HostGator shows up at the top, free SSL. Website Builder Expert, again, they're doing the exact same thing. They're thinking about different terms that people that need a website are also interested in. If we look at all of these, Bluehost is a web hosting platform. They're doing the exact same thing. Namecheap, once again. And so if you look up these different terms, you might be able to find cracks in the system, and then you can create content. You can also do the same thing for words like WordPress. But these are great ways. Another thing that you can do is you could actually do this over on TikTok. So if we go over to TikTok, we can type in something like how to start a blog like this. And you're going to see there are lots of people that are looking to start a blog. 40,000 views, 77,000 views. There's one that I believe has almost 100,000 views, simply starting a blog. And we can do the same thing here. We can type in Hostinger review, just like this, Hostinger review. Hit enter. I spelled Hostinger wrong, but that's okay. Let's get the correct spelling. All right, so Hostinger looks like it was spelled correctly. But one thing that you have to realize, and not a lot of people talk about this, TikTok videos can now show up on the front page of Google. So you could create all of the videos that you see over on TikTok or on YouTube, you could create them on TikTok and then rank them on Google. So this is a great way to piggyback off of or daisy chain a few different social media platforms together and make money. So there are tons of opportunities. Start a YouTube channel, start a blog. You can also start a TikTok account. You could also use other social media like Facebook groups, helping people start websites. Lots of opportunities. Now that you know simple ways to make $100 per day with the Hostinger affiliate program, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you how anyone can earn a make money online without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstinggospel.com/start to learn more. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you start an online business.